1, pimple 2, pimple 3, pimple 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay na, direct. Oh my god. Umayos naman kayo. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's KRIZZIA, or should I welcome back myself? Never mind. So for today's video, I am so excited to film this because I have a new product right here which we're gonna be testing out today. Actually, I just received this product this morning, which is the Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Mask. So you guys can see, this is what the box looks like. So we're gonna open it up first to see what is inside. Actually, I opened it already, and yeah. So this, OMG guys, kumukulong. Huwag naman sanang huwag naman sanang umilat. Kasi katapat ko lang yung yung bintana. Baka maano tayo na. Nagpapawisan ako. This box includes these instructions, the Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Mask instruction. So we're gonna be reading this. No, I'm not gonna read it everything to you, okay? I'm just gonna show you the highlights, okay? Who should use Light Therapy Acne Mask? So it says here, it has a chart to help determine if Light Therapy Acne Mask is right for you. So first and foremost, people who have clear skin, should you use this Light Therapy Acne Mask? No, you should not use this. Like, for what? Right? So if you have a clear skin already, I don't recommend using this because you're already perfect. Like, you have a clear skin, you don't have pores, you don't have blackheads, you know, those kind of problems. You are too blessed if you don't have acne, if you don't have like blackheads or pimples or breakouts. You're too lucky, girl. So yeah, so the second one, for mild acne, which I am facing right now. I don't say that I have a mild acne, or it's just, you know, I've been working out for these past few weeks. As you guys can see, I don't wear any makeup on my face right now because I just want to be natural on this video. Just so you know, we don't need makeup for this video. So yeah, you're gonna see all the sumpa in my face, so get used into it. Moving on, for people who have moderate acne, should you use this product? Yes, you can use this product. So what does it mean? What is the difference between mild acne and moderate acne? Okay, in my case, I consider myself as a mild acne person. Doon na rin patungo tong mga to eh. Parang doon na siya, nasa direction na siya ng pagiging acne niya. Acnehood. And last but not the least, for those people who are facing severe acne, should you use this product? No. This product is not recommended for those people who have severe acne. Lahat tayo dumadaan sa ganyang stage. Before, you know, ang dami ko ring pimples talaga when I was in the Philippines, but when I moved out here in the USA, parang na-notice ko na kumukunti na lang siya. Parang hindi na talaga ako nagbe-break out. Very rare na lang talaga yung mga times na talagang super breakout. Parang ngayon, no, as in, nakikita nyo talaga if I zoom. I don't wanna zoom the camera kasi makikita nyo yung mga sumpa sa mukha. So now, I'm gonna be showing you how to really or actually use this Light Therapy Acne Mask. So before we get started, I also wanna show you how it looks like. So this is what the mask looks like. It is so pretty, and yeah, open na natin siya. Hindi ko pa siya na-open kanina. Gusto ko i-open ko sa harap niya. So we're gonna open it up first. It's kind of like unboxing moment. Yeah. So this is what it looks like. Ayan siya. Mukha kang ano, pag sinuot mo siguro to, magmumukha kang robot. Ayan siya. Ang cute niya, beso. Meron siyang yellow sunglasses inside. And this is the switch. Ayan siya. And also, hindi mabubuo to if walang activator or the remote control. Yan. Para siyang remote control. This is where you can actually turn on the mask. Tanggalin muna natin siya. I know, dami ko na namang kaartihan sa video na ito. But, dun ka na back. Hindi pa tayo tapos dito sa instruction. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you. This is how it looks like. Yes, girl, this is what the activator is. And meron siyang name. Yan, nakikita niyo ba? Neutrogena. For this video, I'm legit excited. So, before we get started, okay, last na ito. How to use Light Therapy Acne Mask. So, first of all, we're gonna connect the light activator, which is this one, to this mask. Yan, connect lang natin siya. Tanggalin natin yung so we're gonna, I think the battery is included already. Let me show. I think so. I don't wanna open it. I think the battery is already included kasi sabi sa box niya, included na raw. So, I trust you. Yan. So, makikita nyo yung number. That only means na, okay, hindi ko pa pala nasabi sa inyo na this mask is only good for 30 days or 30 sessions. Like, each day you have a 10-minute session. So, ayun nga, kada ginagamit nyo siya, every time you use this product, it's gonna decrease the number from here. Like, for example, for today, this is my first day of doing or of using this mask. So, later on, I'm gonna be showing you na magiging 29 na yan kasi nabawasan na siya ng isang session. So, yeah. Feeling ko hindi na siya kailangan i-saksak, i-switch. So, ganyan na lang. Next step is, after we connect this activator to this mask, make sure you wash your face and it's all dried up. I already did. And yeah, prior to each treatment, make sure na wala tayong makeup sa mukha o kahit ano pa yan, kilay or whatever. Be natural while doing the session. And the third step is we're gonna open the over-ear arms of this mask, which is this. Parang magsusuot ka lang ng sunglass. Yan siya. Yan. Oh my God! OMG! I'm so sorry kung hindi niya ako masyadong naririnig dahil meron akong takip sa mukha. And am I ready? Yes. I feel weird wearing this while filming. Ano ba? The fourth step is we're gonna press and hold the button. Okay? We're gonna press and hold the power button for 1 second to begin our treatment. So, we're just gonna be relaxing for this 10-minute treatment, okay? Okay. Are we ready? Yes, we are! Kinakabahan ako dito. I feel so hot. OMG, guys! Oh my God! Ang ganda sa loob! So, yun nga. Automatic na siya na 10 minutes to. After this, we're just gonna be relaxing for 10 minutes. So, patayin muna natin ang... Oh my God! Okay, I'm gonna be back, okay? Ah! OMG! Ano itong nakikita ko? You know what? What it feels is... Tanggalin ko muna ito. Alam niyo ba kung na-feel ko? Pinatay ko yung pinatay ko yung ilaw para mas makita nyo kung ano talaga yung effect niya. Ayan. Color pink siya sa loob na may red at blue. Kaya siguro color pink kasi when you mix pink and blue together, maybe pink is the outcome. I don't know. So what I feel right now is a little bit hot on the face. Baka ma-burn yung face ko dito after.
Why the hell I just text my ex? Pull up on her for that late night fix. I know you got a man, but he ain't like this. She been down since nothing. Now I'm on shaking 7 feet. And if you moved on, babe. Hey, moving too far. I would understand if you moved on. Just wait on me, wait on me. Your friends always hating on me.
Next music, please!
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with a cold evening. Let a couple years water down how I'm feeling about you. And every time we talk, every single word builds up to this moment. And I gotta convince myself I don't want it, even though I do.
Girl, who are you playing with? You been on that new stuff.
Next music, please!
I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas. This feeling so alien. Need to know if you're just a fan. Are you a secret I'm holding in? So leave it on my brain if you feel the same. But I notice it.
Next music, please! Next music, please!
Yeah. Whoa, hold on. Like I talk it, you walk it like I talk it. 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 Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I.
Oh my god. I feel so exhausted after the 10-minute performance. Oh my god. I just finished my one treatment for today. So, as I told you a while ago, yan, nagpalit na siya ng 29, which means na 29 sessions na lang ang natitira. So, ayun nga, it will automatically turn off once the 10-minute session is over. So this product did a great job for my first session. Marami pa akong isasayaw na boom boom before ko matapos ito. So my final thoughts about this mask. First of all, nakakagulat pag tinurn on mo siya, pag pinrest and hold mo for 1 second, bigla na lang siyang magla-light and you will see the pink color, the red color, the blue you will see the pink and blue color inside. Pag nandito kayo, feel nyo nasa ano kayo, nasa space kayo kasi super cool niya, super cool ng wait lang. You're also gonna feel a little bit hot, not that hot na masusunog ka. My first impression, kala ko talaga parang mababurn yung mukha ko, pero tingnan naman guys, hindi naman no. Sana hindi. Baka after 30 days kung ginamit to, baka sunog na yung mukha ko. No, joke lang. Hindi siya yung nakaka-boring na mask. Like for example, yung natural lang na mask na ginagamit natin, if you are like using some mask, sometimes it requires you 15 to 20 minutes and I know it's a lot of time already na mag-wait ka. But this one, you can actually like do something weird also. Kasi, ayun nga, sumayaw-sayaw na lang ako para hindi ako maboring, para hindi tayo maboring. So, for 10-minute session, hindi siya ganun katagal. Nakakabitin pa nga eh. So, ayun nga. I recommend this product for you guys. Hopefully, mag-lighten up na yung mga scars ko dito. Yung mga pimple mark pala. I feel comfortable after the mask. And so, as you guys can see, that's how my pimples look like right now. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi siya effective, of course, first day or first session. So, once you finish with the session, after each treatment, this activator remote control will show you how many sessions remain. Yan na nga, 29 sessions na lang. Since this is my first day, I can't wait for the second one already. Parang gusto ko lahat, like, yung buong 30 session in one day. Ang ganda, di ba? And after you finish the session for today, make sure to turn this off and disconnect this one from here. Parang i-press and hold nyo siya, press and hold nyo na naman siya in 1 second para ma-turn off siya and hindi, ayun nga, nakikita nyo na nga. And as you guys can see, wala na siyang number. It means naka-turn off na siya. So yeah, I am so happy. Super nag-enjoy ako. Nakikita nyo naman. I really recommend this for you guys. Sana kayo rin matry nyo to. And it also says na mag-relax, but I did not relax. Yeah, that's my kind of relaxation. Yung, yan, magpapatugtog, sayaw-sayaw lang. Parang yun lang, happy-go-lucky girl. It depends on how you use that 10 minutes. Kasi sa akin, ayun, ginamit ko siya not to relax, literally, but to, you know, listen to music, to dance, para kasi ang bilis lang ng 10 minutes pag ginagawa mo yun eh. So, hindi ko na-feel yung 10 minutes na yun, na 10 minutes na pala parang, parang nakakabitin pa siya. Prior to buying this product, I also see the other side na maybe for some people, it works on them, maybe for me, it doesn't work. So, I already expected that before. So, kung mag-work man sa akin, then okay. If it didn't work, then okay then. So, it's like taking your own risk. Whatever it is, whatever the outcome is, okay na tayo doon. I also have a friend who's using this product right now. I think she's in her 10th session already, and I also see the difference on her face. Sabi niya nga, effective. And I also have read some good reviews on Amazon na yung mga tao nga gumagamit ito, effective daw sa kanila. Sana sa akin din. Because you know, we all have different skin types. Maybe for you, it works. Maybe for me, it doesn't or it didn't. So, let's just see after the 30 days challenge, or after the 30 day, let's see after the 30 days session. Hopefully it works. Hopefully na mag-work to sa akin kasi pagod na ako sa mga pimples na to. Dumadami na lang sila ng dumadami lagi. Hindi ko alam. Tinatry ko naman matulog ng maaga, pero bakit ganun? 3 o'clock pa rin ako nakakatulog. Ang aga nga. So, ayun nga. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys on my next